We humans love our sleep, and we all have our own sleeping habits. So do animals. Animals also have to hide from predators while sleeping when most of us can peacefully sleep in our bedrooms, considering the fact that animals are out in the wild. But do you know some animals have very strange sleeping habits that are quite fascinating? In today's video, that's what we are about to talk about. Tune in and watch till the very end to find out. Hello, and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Before getting into the video, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any future videos. Now, without any further delay, let's get straight into it.
It is usually very uncommon for animals to make nests and rest in them. Well, pigs do exactly that. Pigs are known to build nests or burrows to sleep in, particularly when they are pregnant or nursing piglets. These nests can be made from straw, hay, or other materials and provide a cozy and comfortable place for the pigs to rest. The nest provides a warm and secure environment for the piglets, and the sow will often spend a lot of time in the nest nursing and caring for her young. The nests are usually located in a protected area where the piglets can sleep and stay warm. And the sow will often lie down next to the nest to provide extra warmth and protection.
We are all quite familiar with bats and how they sleep upside down. Bats sleep upside down due to the unique structure of their tendons and ligaments. Their wings are not designed for taking off from the ground, so they drop from a height to start flying. Sleeping upside down allows bats to conserve energy, as they don't have to use any muscles to stay aloft. The tendons of bats lock their toes in place, keeping them secure while they sleep. When bats are ready to fly, they use the momentum of dropping to start flying. They can quickly right themselves and take off if they need to escape a predator or obstacle. In summary, the ability of bats to sleep upside down is an adaptation that helps them conserve energy and prepare for their next flight. Would you like to float during sleep over water? Well, we have a little cute creature who does exactly that. Sea otters float while sleeping, which helps them conserve energy and regulate their body temperature. The dense fur of sea otters keeps them warm in cold water, reducing the amount of energy they need to expend to maintain their body temperature. While floating, sea otters are also able to keep a lookout for predators such as sharks or killer whales, which are a threat to them when they are sleeping. Floating on their backs also makes it easier for them to quickly dive underwater to escape danger. Overall, while the floating sleep position of sea otters is not specifically to stay away from land predators, it does offer some protection and benefits for their survival in their aquatic environment.
Next, we have probably the most loved pet animal worldwide. Cats dream like humans when they sleep. Cats' ability to dream is due to their similar sleep patterns to humans. Like humans, cats go through different stages of sleep, including deep sleep and REM, rapid eye movement sleep. During deep sleep, their brainwaves slow down, and their muscles become completely relaxed. REM sleep, on the other hand, is the stage of sleep when most dreaming occurs. During this stage, the brain becomes more active, and the eyes move rapidly back and forth under the eyelids. Studies have shown that cats spend about 25% of their sleep in REM sleep, which is similar to humans. During this stage, cats may twitch their whiskers, paws, or even make small noises, indicating that they are dreaming. It is believed that cats dream about activities they would normally do when awake, such as hunting, playing, or exploring. However, unlike humans, cats do not have the ability to control their dreams or their sleeping patterns. Great frigate birds have a unique adaptation where they are able to sleep while still in flight, in very short bursts lasting only 7 to 12 seconds. This allows them to rest their brain and conserve energy while still being able to fly for days or even weeks without stopping. However, during these brief periods of sleep, the great frigate bird will often keep one eye open to remain alert to potential dangers, and may also adjust its wing position for balance. Despite their ability to sleep in flight, great frigate birds still require longer periods of rest on solid ground to properly recover and recharge. They typically do this when perched on a tree branch or on land. This unique adaptation is necessary for their survival, as they spend a significant amount of time in flight and need to rest and conserve energy to successfully navigate their environment. Sloths are known for being very consistent with their sleeping locations. They tend to sleep in the same tree or area each night, and they often return to the same spot after waking up. This behavior helps them to conserve energy by avoiding the need to search for a new place to sleep each day. In addition to conserving energy, sleeping in the same location can also help sloths to stay safe from predators. Sloths are vulnerable when they are on the ground, so by sleeping high up in trees, they are less likely to be attacked by predators such as jaguars or snakes. By returning to the same sleeping spot, they also become familiar with their surroundings.
Meerkats are social animals that live in groups called mobs, and they sleep in piles, huddling together in large groups of up to 30 individuals. This allows them to bond and keep warm, as well as regulate their body temperature during cold nights in the desert where they live. Meerkats are diurnal animals, and they spend their night in their underground burrows, emerging in the morning to forage for food. Sleeping in piles is a fascinating behavior exhibited by these highly social and intelligent animals. It is just one of the many ways in which they have adapted to their environment and increased their chances of survival. Walruses are large, semi-aquatic mammals that live in the Arctic regions. They spend most of their time in the water, but also haul out onto ice floes or land to rest and sleep. They usually sleep in the water, either floating on the surface or resting on the bottom. Walruses are social animals and often sleep in groups, huddled together for warmth and protection. They do not have a specific sleep pattern and may sleep for shorter or longer periods depending on their activity levels and environment. They are active both during the day and at night, and may nap or rest at various times throughout the day. The sleeping habits of walruses are adapted to their aquatic lifestyle, and they need to conserve energy while remaining alert to potential dangers. Albatrosses rest while in flight, but they do not sleep in the same way that humans do. They have a unique adaptation called unihemispheric slow-wave sleep, which allows them to rest one half of their brain while the other half remains alert and in control of their flight. This enables them to rest and conserve energy while still being able to navigate and avoid obstacles in their flight path. Albatrosses are adapted to spending most of their time in flight, covering long distances across the oceans. Their ability to rest while in flight is a crucial adaptation for their survival. They are able to fly for weeks or even months without landing on land, making their unique sleeping habits an essential part of their lifestyle. Certain species of desert snails can enter a state of extended dormancy called estivation, during which they seal themselves inside their shells and reduce their metabolic rate to a minimum. This allows them to survive in extremely hot and dry environments where food and water are scarce. While in this state, they are not technically sleeping, as they are not experiencing restorative sleep. Estivation can last for years, and the snails will emerge from their shells and resume normal activity once moisture becomes available. This adaptation is remarkable and allows these snails to survive in some of the harshest environments on the planet. Orangutans have a very unique sleeping position where they sleep on their backs with their arms and legs outstretched, a posture known as belly up. This posture is believed to help regulate their body temperature by exposing their less hairy belly to the cooler air while sleeping in the hot and humid rainforest environment. In addition to regulating body temperature, sleeping belly up also helps orangutans to conserve energy. By extending their limbs, they minimize muscle tension and reduce the amount of energy required to maintain their position. This allows them to sleep more efficiently, which is particularly important for these primates with their large body size and high energy requirements. That's it for today's video. If you have witnessed anything about sleeping habits of animals, let us know the interesting facts in the comments below. We would love to hear from you. We hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, and we will see you in the next video.